Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another Ipsy unbagging, and this is for the month of June. It's hard to believe June is already here. I think because we've been staying at home so much recently, time just kind of moves on. Every day is the same, so it's unbelievable that it's already June. But I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got in my Ipsy bag this month. So you want to check out what I got, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, and in my spare time, I really love putting together these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my experience on Poshmark. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting to you, please definitely check out my other videos, and also consider subscribing. It'll really help me out. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into unbagging this Ipsy bag. And I love doing these every month just because I personally love watching Ipsy unbagging videos, because every bag is a little bit different. It's supposed to be customized, so to speak, to the person that gets it. So everybody gets something a little different. So it's kind of fun to see what other people get and kind of hear about some new products as well. So let's just go ahead and dive into this thing. Just gonna open it up here, and it's always fun as well. It's just this beautiful pop of color in the middle. It's kind of a little pick-me-up once a month. I definitely don't use all the products I get, and the bags are hits or misses every month, but it's always fun to get, you know, that's for sure. Okay, so I have a couple things in here. It looks like some masks, which I'll look at in a minute. Just kind of throw it in here. But here's the bag for this month, and I, of course, always love their cosmetic bags. It's always super adorable, and this is a really fun one, perfect for summer. So it has some women on, I guess, beach towels, kind of laying out, sunbathing. So that's really cute. I love this. So I'm definitely going to use this. I think it's really fun for this season. It has a really cool pop of color here that's branded with Ipsy. And if you open the bag, it's yellow inside, and it has the Ipsy tag as well. So these cosmetic bags, I've been more and more impressed with. I think that they have really fun styles. I think the quality is pretty good. I use these for just random things around the house, and also to store things in my purse. So totally useful. All right, I'm just gonna jump into this, and let's see what this handout in here looks like. So it tells you a little bit about some of their promotions, and it gives you some 5 tips to maximize SPF. It's kind of fun. I'll read this a little bit later. So I'm a huge SPF fan, as you've heard about in other videos. I wasn't growing up. That's why I have a lot of skin damage and hyperpigmentation. So as I've gotten older, I really am good about putting on SPF in many different forms throughout the day. I put it on every single day. So I realize how important it is. So definitely, if you haven't picked up products with SPF in it, definitely do. As I said last month, they used to give us a little card in here that tells you about the products that you receive. I really would like it if they bring that back, just because it was nice to hear about the different items and can tell you about them. So yeah, I'm sad that they kind of discontinued that, so hopefully they bring that back. So we'll just go ahead and just dive in this thing ourselves then. And the first thing that was kind of thrown in there, because it didn't fit in the bag, were these masks. So I'm excited about this. This looks really fun. So I usually don't use sheet masks that often, to be honest, just because for the sake of time, to me personally, I just don't have the energy to put on a face mask that often, because you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, which is a pretty decent amount of time, in my opinion, to have to leave this on. But I think for a nice, relaxing evening, this would be perfect. I love the look of these. So it's from Hanalei. It's moisturizing and brightening masks. It's a pear and pineapple, so I'll love these. I love these fruity scents for kind of bath products, so that's what that looks like. So this looks fun, and then you're supposed to apply it over and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then remove the mask and massage the remaining serum into the skin. So even though I don't love these kind of sheet masks, I'm going to try these out for sure. I think they look really fun. I'm going to love the scents, I bet. So yeah, we'll see how these work out. Okay, so the next thing in here, let's see, is a little pot of maybe blush. So it's from, I'm going to totally mess up this name, but it's Manakadar Beauty. And it looks like it's a little pot of blush. That's what it looks like. So this is a cute little pot here. The quality isn't great. The top just popped out there, I'll say, in terms of the packaging, but I'm sure I can snap that back on. But here is the color. So that's a pretty blush color, I think. And I'll try to swatch it a little for you here. So to be honest, these kind of blush products, I'm not a huge fan of in Ipsy. I never really use blush that much. I use it every day, but in terms of going through a pot of blush, it just never happens because you don't need that much of it. So not the most thrilled about this product, but it is a nice color, I think. I swatched it kind of heavy on here. I wouldn't do this obviously on my face, but that's the color at least on my hand. And if you blend it in, I think it'll be nice. I think it's a nice shade, but I'm not sure I'm going to get much use out of it, but that's what that one looks like. These would be handy, I think, for travel, but to be honest, I mean, I'm really not traveling these days, so we'll see. I think this one I maybe would check out a little bit, but probably won't get a whole lot of use out of. All right, so next up I have, okay, this is the product that I customized. So now with Ipsy, you're able to pick one product that you know about in every bag that you can choose from a selection of, gosh, 5 to 10 or so. So this one I chose because I wanted to try it out. I just haven't tried it out yet. So this is the Lock-It setting powder from Kat Von D in translucent. So I was excited to try this because I've heard a lot about this. I love setting powders. I use setting powders every day on my makeup. So I wanted to try this one out from Kat Von D. That's the cover. I don't know if you can see it there. It's kind of embossed with the Kat Von D logo. And this is probably sealed. So I'm not going to unseal it now because I hate it when loose powder gets everywhere. But it's just a translucent powder. So yeah, I want to give this a try. I wish the container was a little bit bigger or we got more product because I go through translucent powder so quickly because I just apply it all over. But you know, I want to try out the formulation at least. So I will do that. So I was excited to add this as my known customized product this month. Okay, and then I just have 2 more products. This goes by so quickly. This next one is a lip balm. So I love lip balms. It's Preventative Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm with moisture release technology and passion fruit. So I think this is going to be just a regular lip balm. So I have tons. I'm not going to open it right now because it's a pretty simple lip balm, I think. But it looks like it has some great moisturizing kind of properties to it. So I will check it out. I do use lip balm quite a bit, but I mean, how many lip balms can somebody have? Who knows? I think like a lot of you, I collect tons of lip products. So I will try this out. I think that because it's not too frou-frou, this would be good for my husband as well because he's always asking me, you know, for lip balm or what have you when I'm on the road. So I will keep this in my purse and oftentimes will hand it to him, I'm sure, going forward. But yeah, I'll check out that formulation. And then I just have one final product. This is super fast unbagging here, but this one looks like one I'm excited about. So this one I will open so I can kind of show you the colorway here, but it looks like a lip crayon, I think. These are always fun as well. Usually lip crayons, of course, have better staying power, at least for me. So I like wearing these to work, especially because I don't really have time to reapply at work all that often. So it's nice to have something like this. This is a pretty good sized product though. Look at this. The brand is Smile, and it's called the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. And it is a really nice turn application there on the bullet. And yeah, it looks like a pretty color. It's kind of like a corally color. I think really nice for summer. So let me show you the brand if you can see it there. And I'll swatch it here next to this blush. These may go okay together actually. But yeah, this feels really smooth when you apply it. So yeah, this is a good one I think in this bag. I'm excited to try this one out. I really love the compact vial here, which is nice too, but the application was really smooth and it has pretty good pigmentation, I'd say. So there it is right there next to the blush. I think that's a pretty color. Its corally colors are perfect for this time of year, I think. So yeah, this one's probably going to be one I like. There it is. So yes, that is it. I've gone through 5 products. That was so quick. But this bag, I'd say, is kind of average. I'm not thrilled about it. I think, of course, I wanted to try the setting powder. I really think I'm going to like this lip crayon. And the face mask, although I don't normally like face masks, those actually seem like ones that I want to try. The other products, not so much maybe. And that's typical these months for Ipsy. I have a couple of bag favorites, but the others I probably won't use, so I'll have to pass them along to somebody else. My daughter's getting a little bit into makeup. She's only 5, so I don't let her wear a lot of color cosmetics, except on special occasions. But she loves things like these lip balms, you know, translucent powders, or things like that just to play around with. So I may let her try some of these out as well. I'm really excited as she gets older to be able to try more of these things out with her. I think it's going to be really fun. Alright, so that does it for my Ipsy bag for this month. Let me know what fun products you got in your bag this month, just so I can consider checking them out in the future bags. It's add-ons. Let me know as well if you have any questions about any of these products or my experience on Ipsy as well. Otherwise, I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I will plan to see you again in my next video. Bye!